Snuggle into your cozy zone with the newest additions to the FH Group accessories collection, the Doe 16 Faux Rabbit car seat cushions. Designed to fit almost any vehicle seat. Installation is a breeze. Begin by laying the cover on the rear seat bottom. Stretch the elastic straps around the corners and under the bottom of the seat for a snug fit. Next, use the push clips in the center of the fabric and push the clip into the crevice to securely hold the cover in place. Now, attach the rear back seat covers into place by connecting the straps around the back of the headrest with the buckle clip. Next, connect the cover to the rear backrest by attaching butterfly discs to the elastic loops. Then insert the butterfly discs into the seat crevice to secure the seat cover to the back side. And finally, attach the headrest covers to the headrest by connecting the straps with the buckle clips. These lavish covers not only add a splash of color to your ride, but they also allow access to everything your vehicle has to offer and more. Ensure your vehicle is a hair above the rest with your new FH Group Doe 16 seat covers.